show yan nila.
Tini si Muya diete.
Jojo, di hay di pipokashi na. So let's say, Happy Day World.
Ne.
Happy Day World.
Ate.
Okay. So, ano niya nila? Uy, 14 million viewers. Bigla shout out. Definitive, no? Tinash Brat. Tinash Brat. So, ano niya nila? Memorize ni Angela, yung daughter ko, yung ano nila, show sa next month. Definitive, no? Tinash Brat. Hindi ko. Tinash Brat. Definitive, no?
Mama, tu dosta.
Hindi mo ipok mami na. Pasiglo ba na. So, ayun na. We gonna make now dinner ni Angela. So, simple.
Tini si Muya diete.
Da, bravo. Definitive, no? Tinash.
Muya diete.
Bravo, mong ko eh. So,
Ito sa kazi, tini si Muya diete.
tinisi mo ya dito. Kukashi.
Tita Nicole.
Tita Nicole na kashi tinit. Boshi mo eh. Hi! Shout out! 30 million viewers in the house. We're gonna make now Angela's. That's old picture. You gonna watch them. So I'm gonna make her fry only salami frying. That's old nak. Wait, don't touch it. Anything. Come on. Odi. Dus tayo. Hay, di matibit. 49 million viewers. Shout out. Regards from Croatia. No, sara, hindi mo Jindan. Shout out, Miguel, shout out. Yes. So I just fry this salami. This is a Croatian salami. So guys, kubasitsa. It's like a sausage or salami. Ayan. Favorite ni Angela. So fry lang siya. Frying. Ko. Angela, ko to Angela. Tata? Sweet tata? So yan guys. Dito nating anakis na naman sa loob. Ginanon ko muna. Shout out! 82 million viewers! Salamat. Tamsak lang sa kalam. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe. So we gonna do now it's a lot here. We gonna clean first our table. Just this salami. Sat. Angela, nigra mo lente. Kudulazi. Tuita padulazi. Tuita tayan. Remove the plastic. Ayan guys, remove natin ito. Ayan, slice na natin. Thin slice. For my daughter, she like cold. This is cold cuts. She like, direct eating. This is already direct. You can eat this like this. You can eat like, it's yummy. But I want it fried for her. So crunchy. And so it's crunchy. In Philippines, this is expensive. And we not usually eat there. And also this one, it's a cold cut. We call this pancita. It's so yummy also. Cold cuts. So, direct eating mo lang. Dito lang. Could be fried,